Meenu buys flowers.
Meenu, these flowers are beautiful.
Buzz, come here. Look, that auntie is getting scared. Those flowers are not for you. You cannot take honey from them.
I don't want the flowers. I want them for Meenu. Meenu, come here. You can buy these flowers.
Okay, auntie. Can you give me flowers for 2 rupees?
What is she doing?
She is measuring the flowers.
Measuring?
Yes, Buzz. She is seeing how long the flower is. Look, she has given 2 arms of flowers for 2 rupees.
Oh, 2 arms of flowers. Meenu, keep it in your hair. You look beautiful.
Thank you, Buzz.
Cheenu, look at this rope. Will you measure it?
Okay, Buzz. Let me do it. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 arms of rope. It is late. Come, let us go back home.
Meenu, you have long hair. How long is your hair?
Let me see how long is Meenu's hair. It is 1, 2, 3. 3 handspans long.
Hey, this is fun.
Yes, it's fun to do handspan. Look, my face is 1 handspan long. Even my face is 1 handspan long.
Cheenu, how long am I?
Buzz, you are less than 1 handspan. You are very, very small. Hey, Buzz, stop buzzing in my ears.
Cheenu, how long is your ear? You can only hear me buzz.
Stop talking now, Buzz. My ear is 3 fingers long.
Fingers long? How?
Look, Buzz. It is like this. My nose is 3 fingers long. My forehead is 4 fingers long.
Oh, now I know. Cheenu, what are you doing?
I am going to find out the distance from here to the house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is 20 footsteps long.
Oh, you can do it with your foot also.
Look here, Buzz. This is my foot. So, I keep walking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So the mat is 6 footsteps long.
But how can I do it? I don't have a long foot.
Come here. Let us do it with a pencil.
With a pencil?
Look, let us put the pencil like this on this table. Now, let us do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this table is 10 pencils long.
Hey, Chinu, this is fun. Look, this book is 1, 2 pencils long. I can do it. I can do it.
Look at this book. This book is 1, 2 spans long.
2 spans long? Chinu, can you also do it?
Okay, we will do it for Raja. Raja, come here. He is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spans long.
But I can't do it with my hands. Can I try with my wings?
Oh, Buzz, stop it. Come, let us play a game now.
Game? That's lots of fun.
Come, let us all stand near this tree. Meenu, you go 6 footsteps away from here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 footsteps. Buzz, now you can keep that flower 5 pencils away from me.
Okay, Meenu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. Now I will keep the flower here.
That's right, Buzz. Now I will keep this marble 5 fingers away from this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. I will keep the marble here now. Now I am going to find the distance to our cow's shed from here. I will use my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Friends, you can also use your hands, feet, pencils, fingers, or arms to see how long things are. It's lots of fun. Bye, friends.